Step 3. Different reverse sidekick exercises for you. Now you're able to do a solid reverse sidekick. For the end of this lesson, I have some ideas for you can do with this kick. Reverse sidekick with holding the kicking leg. With this exercise, try to hold your kicking leg in the straight kick position for a short moment. The higher you get, the more difficult the exercise becomes. Combine the sidekick with other kicks. Try to combine the sidekick with the basic kicks you already learned. Well done! Congratulations to the reverse sidekick. I hope this lesson was fun for you, and I'm sure this makes a cool variation for your standard sidekick. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next lesson.